and by night, hunting me as a poor deer would be hunted on a hill. A poor, long, weary deer with the hound pack after him. There's no ease to my painting in the loneliness of the hills, but the cry of the hunters, terrifically to be heard. The cry of my desires, haunting me without respite. O ravening hounds, long is your run. No satisfying can come to my desires while I live, for the satisfaction I desire yesterday is no satisfaction, and the hound pack is the greedier of the satisfaction it has got. And forever I shall not sleep till I sleep in the grave. My painting in the loneliness of the hills, but the cry of the hunters, terrifically to be heard. The cry of my desires, haunting me without respite. O ravening hounds, long is your run. No ravening hounds, long is your run. No ravening hounds, long is your run.